Want to check if a number is prime? The smart way in Python? I will explain it in under 3 minutes with full logic. What is a prime number? A prime number is a number greater than 1 that has no divisors other than 1 and itself. So numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are all prime. Let's take one basic example. Let's write a Python program that checks whether a number is prime or not. Number equal 29. If number greater than 1, for I in range 2, number, if number divisible I equal 0, print not prime. Break, else print prime, else print not prime. Save and run. We got prime. This checks if the number is divisible by anything between 2 and 1 less than itself. If yes, it is not prime. If no, it's prime. Simple. Test with user input. You can also let the user enter the number themselves. Import math. Number equal int input, enter a number. If number greater than 1, for I in range 2, int math dot square root of number. Plus 1. If number divisible by I equal 0, print not prime. Break. Else print prime. Else print not prime. Save and run. We got enter a number. 2, enter. We got 2 is a prime. Let's check one more. Again run this. Enter a number. If I enter 4, enter. We got not prime. 4 is not prime, right? Okay. Quick recap. Prime only divisible by 1 and itself. Use a for loop and if else to check. Optional. Optimize using square root method. If this helped you understand prime numbers in Python, give it like and subscribe to Master of Data Science for more beginner-friendly logic tutorials. Comment below what number you want to check next.